We're driving around Santa Fe again and we got our crazy hat. It's too warm today. See at the back? That's my father and my sister. They're a bit far. Ang init guys. Look at yung aking hat guys. So parang akong Korea nito. Not so fast! So annoying. Char. Almost. Char. Riders.
Hello.
Hoy! Not so fast! Kainis naman itong asawa ko. Feeling niya talaga ay professional rider.
Okay, man. Yes, I'm a
You drive too fast, da. So yun.
This is my wife. How does she look?
Martin, we cannot buy all these coffees. We buy.
No, guys, you got coffee in there also.
No, there's no. Labo? What are you doing?
I'm videoing the market. Oh, they got some fresh banana up here. Let's have some of those for the pancake I need to have. Yeah.
We have my sister.
Yeah, but yeah, did you see them? De er helt sorte.
Ja, det er det.
Jamen, jeg køber et par stykker her. Hallo.
No, you video. So what is
think
this place?
there's coffee in here. No, that's not fun.
No, there's no coffee there. Ano?
Anna, what? See him, I want some of your money. I want your money. I want to have... I'll buy some of those bananas here. Ja, jeg så en bananer. Jeg har ikke tænkt mig at spise bananer. Jamen det er lige meget, jeg vil godt have den hjælp.
Så du fortæller hende, det betyder?
Yes. Okay, jeg har ligesom fænderne fulde. Kan du tage dem? Bananerne.
Bare en?
De to her.
Nej, jeg kan ikke.
Bum. Hvad køber I kammer? Hvad køber du?
Ribs. Stop, no. What are you doing?
Jeg spionerer.
Ano? Di ba kung mag-isda o isa? If you have this.
Okay.
Maybe, ano, ito ka na, buwan.
This is how to dry fishing. So, M, are you M? M, are you happy with your buy?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Are you?
I'm not gonna eat any of that. We know that for sure. That's a.
No,
Gin and tonic made him very sleepy.
I'm very healthy always.
Yeah, healthy drunk.
Yes, healthy.
Healthy drunk.
Tonic.
Gilbis gins. Very nice. This one also is a gin and tonic addict.
Yeah, but not so much anymore.
This one, just a happy boy with a hat.
You think it's enough? Yeah, for the how
But
many
it's every
days?
day. It's an everyday. This is maybe a month.
Monday, Tuesday.
Then buy you one more.
Just one more. Okay.
What are you buying?
Let me go play with this. Here we go. Filipino breakfast. Bananas is there. A butter and a little piece of French bread. Coke. This is a lunch brunch thing for me. I was not hungry this morning, so now they made me pancakes. Later.